this video, I'm going to show you how I went from this to this to this. You don't need excellent photography, you don't need any equipment, and this can be done in minutes. Now the tool I'm going to be using today is called Sellerpic AI. Now this is how Sellerpic AI looks when you sign in. The first thing we're going to do is create some amazing images of our AI model wearing our outfit. So we're going to go to AI tools. Now the AI tools are a lot, but we're going to start with virtual try on. Now our shirt is on a hanger, which is perfectly fine. Click on device, select our shirt. Now the AI is going to crop out the busy background. We don't need that at all. We just want the shirt. If you have your own model that you've been using, you can just upload a photo of that model, but I'm going to do everything from scratch to show you. So go to select from model library. So instead of picking any of these amazing models, we want to create everything ourselves. So we are going to model maker. Now at model maker, you can describe the model you want just with text. It's like a prompt and it generates the model you want. You can do this multiple times till you get the model you're looking for. So I'm going to go with, so I described the model I want, and I also described the clothes he's wearing. Now I made sure these clothes match my shirt, and all I do is click on generate. It's gonna cost just 1 credit, and let's see the type of model we have. I think this is fantastic. Now if you want his sleeves to be rolled down, you can do that as well. Based on if you want to change the color, then you can change the prompt to get different results. Alright, so if this model works for you, you go to the bottom just below the image and say use this image as custom model. Now it's going to be added to your list of custom models. If it's the bottom, you do separate bottom. If it's the full outfit, if it's one piece garment, based on that. I just want it for the top, so I'll stick to the top. Alright, so now this is our outfit, this is our model. If the item wasn't cropped out properly, you can always go to the edit apparel cutout button and edit it. Ours worked out perfectly. Now next we can choose the pose that the model is going to have. Though he has a nice pose over here, we can go to this pose variation and choose different types of poses. He currently has a front view, which I think is very important for the shirt. But you can also get a close-up front, you can get a back view, close-up back. There are a lot of interesting poses you can go with. I'm going to go with close-up front as well and a back view. Alright, so this is 3 poses that will cost 3 credits. Nice and affordable. So once we are done with the poses, we're just going to click on generate. It will take some time for the AI to work its magic, so we can do something else or we can just wait it out. Alright, our images are ready. So let's take a look. This is the first image. Our model is smiling, wearing his shirt. This is exactly the shirt that we got. This is so crazy. I love that it gives him shadows. The shadows are realistic because he's wearing sunglasses and all that. The shoes, black shoes, navy blue trousers, just as we requested. Let's see the second image. Second image is supposed to be a closer up shot. This time it took away his glasses, so he's kind of squinting in the sun right there, which is not a problem. And yeah, this is pretty cool. Yep, I like this as well. Now the last one is the back view. Okay, that's pretty cool. So this takes the first image back view because we can see bits of his sunglasses in there, and he's wearing his same black shoes. It kept the colors consistent, kept the accessories consistent as well. It's just one time it took the sunglasses off, which is fine. This is crazy. Alright, so if you like the photos, all you have to do is click on the download button at the bottom here. You have the option to download it in 4K, which takes 2 extra credits, or you can do the free download over here as well. There are different options or formats you can have the image in. My favorite is PNG. So you just hit the download button and it downloads onto your device. If you had issues with any of the images, or maybe you wanted this one, you wanted him to still have his sunglasses on, you can always go to edit here and type in a prompt and it will fill that in. Now, if you don't really mind how the model looks and you just want any model to wear your product in various poses and in various settings, just come to the homepage of Sellerpic AI. We can use the agent features. Just choose any of the agent features, it doesn't matter if it's clothing or not, and go with try to generate. So it opens up an agent chat box where you can put in your prompt of what you want. Now what you're going to do is delete the dummy content, upload the image of your product. We could just take the shirt in here right now and then adjust the prompt accordingly. Alright, so this is the prompt I gave it, and so I really want 3 images of 3 different men in different races in lifestyle backgrounds wearing the shirt. So we're going to hit enter and the AI is going to do some thinking. Alright, our first image is ready. So this is the image of the man at work. Okay, so he's wearing our shirt. Love the logo, love the print, and he's obviously in a corporate setting, so this looks like work. So this is a lovely lifestyle image to use. Alright, so we're going to download it. So just click on the image. You see an export button that pops up on the top right. So we're just going to click on export. It has WebP, PNG, and JPEG. I'm going to go with PNG. I'm happy to go with the free download. The others are ready. So the next one was supposed to be an Asian model just taking a walk in the street. This is really cool. We have the model walking. I mean, this is really nice. I like the way the shirt looks on him. He's obviously Asian and he's looking really cool. So if we click on it from here, you get the download button over here, and then we can download it as we usually do. The next image is supposed to be an African American man, but unfortunately it got the shirt wrong. This is not the color of the shirt, neither do we have the little logo over there. So what I'm going to do is in the chat box, I'm going to press the edit image button over here bottom right. So I'm going to go to device and upload the shirt again to be next to it, and then I'm going to tell the AI to change the shirt. Alright, so after 2 more edits, we're able to get a closer look what we got previously. So if you compare this original one we got to this, it's light years better. We've got the logo and then it's now blue and white, though it is a little darker than the other options, you know, but we'll take it. So download this as well. All you need is 1 image of your product and you can turn it into so many more with so many cool different models from different races, ages, and in different places. It's time to go to video. Now, in Sellerpic, there's so many ways to generate video. You can go to their chat box with the agent mode over here. You can also go to their AI tools where you have image to video. And you can also go to your creations where you have all your images that you've generated like this. And from the button here, you just turn it into video. So let's try this one. It's really simple. Image to video. Now in video mode, you have 2 options, the single frame and the frame to frame. So if you have another frame you want to add to this, you could do that. But we have just a single image of him walking right here. And so let's generate some videos. They have custom where you can put in a prompt and let him do what you want him to do. And there's also the preset option where you can have him pose. A lot of these are quite feminine. Because we have a male model here, I would like to go for the custom. With the AI video tool options, there are a lot of them. So now with this, you can leave the video prompt part blank and the AI will come up with its own motion, or you can type in a prompt. I'm going to type in a very simple prompt. They also have default preset styles. If it's a model video, you can have a lifestyle scene. If it's like You can have showcasing the products, but as I said, a lot of these are quite feminine. The length of the video, it's more expensive if you go for 10 seconds. I'm gonna stick to a 5-second video, and all we're gonna do is click on generate. So I'll show you some videos I have generated in the past. This was just a model posing in a Tom and Jerry t-shirt, which is really cute. This is 5 seconds, but this could be used for video for social media and lots of stuff like that. I've done a group of men in a car talking with a selfie style before. All right, our video is ready. Drum roll. Let's take a look at it. All right, he is smiling. He's walking slowly. I love that. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I mean, this makes an excellent social media video. Alright, so all you have to do is click the download button. For video, we can only do free download, so we download it. If you'd like this tool, the link is in my description. You get some free points if you sign up with my link and try it out. Let me know what you think, and if you have some questions, drop it in the comment section. I answer every single one of them. Thanks for watching. Bye.